Hey, hi, how are you doing? We are at the Cisco Live US. My name is Marco.
My name is Andrea.
And in this short video, we want to talk about what our experience so far is here and our highlights. So let's start with Andrea. What are your experiences so far?
Thanks Marco for having me today. I'd like to talk about SASE. SASE is a security technology that can provide secure access to everywhere to anywhere. And I believe it's very useful because there are a lot of different applications. So for instance, let's think about parents that have to look after their newborn and they have to work from home. They might need to access sensible data in the cloud, they need to access data in the data center, and SASE is exactly the technology that can help to deliver this kind of connectivity. A good point is managed by a single cloud where we can configure networking, we can configure security, we can rely on identity-based access. So it's a very good thing. In the future, this will be, in my opinion, the primary connectivity type. The reason is because the traditional technology method is not scalable anymore. When we want people working from anywhere in the world and we have to secure data anywhere in the world, we need something that is more agile.
Perfect, very interesting. I like your view. So from my point of view, one highlight of course was the AI canvas and cloud control. I got my hands on it. I want not to talk about too much because there's a lot of going on right now and I'm sure you heard about that, but at least in my opinion, what I've experienced so far with my hands on the product, it's actually really good and I was surprised how good it actually was. But the real good thing or a real interesting thing, what I've learned is all the security of the agentic stuff. So we see that everybody's buying the Mac Minis, G2 talked about that, and how do you make sure that the agents only have access to the resources they should have, and within this scope of access or resource access, does it really do what I intended to do? When I ask him to buy 500 pounds of anything and you do like 600 or choosing another thing or even malicious, sending money or transfer money to him instead of buying something, there need to be some governance, and there is a lot in the pipe with Cisco Duo AI Defense and Secure Access. I'm very happy to see that Cisco is not only doing networking, it's networking great, we saw it on the SASE side, but also do a security and AI stuff. So I really think that Cisco is going from a very good networking company, continue to be a network company, but also add AI and security capabilities where it's needed to. So.
And think about one point. You mentioned cloud control. SASE is managed by Security Cloud Control, which is a similar solution for security. What if everything can be merged together and from a single point you can manage SASE, you can manage AI, you can manage everything?
Perfect. And I think that's one thing a lot of customers ask for years. We have like 6 products and 7 dashboards and now it finally comes, and it's really exciting to be on the track and being on the Cisco world. And I think in the next few months there are a lot of great things happening, and stay tuned and be really excited what's coming next. Thank you for watching.